Today, we are going to make our dolls a koala National Geographic. Start by printing out the printable in the description down below. Then cut the pieces out. Place the cover to the side and apply glue to the white edge of the other pieces. You should create this very long strip of paper. Then start folding the pages at the crease. It should be turning into what looks like a little booklet. Once you are finished folding, flip the strip to the other side of it and start applying glue. You shouldn't really see any white excess other than the part at the back because it should form a booklet. Create 2 folds at the orange center of the cover. Apply glue to the small strip of white paper on the back of the booklet and the spine of that booklet, and then stick it into the cover. Press down to secure the glue. Creating a koala National Geographic for your dolls. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting!